I purchased two different size project boards. The smaller one is 2 pieces, and the biggest one is 2 pieces. But each piece is different. One is 28 by 14, I believe. No, it's 38 by 27. That's the smaller piece, and each piece of the larger piece is 48 by 36. The larger pieces I got from Walmart, and the smaller pieces I got from the Dollar Tree. I believe I'm going to use the smaller pieces first. Here's some of the items I use for my design. The blue piece is what I use to spread the paper out, make it smooth. Then I had my cutter to make my designs, pieces that I put on it, as well as the duct tape. And here's some design tape that I use. The one in the back is the one I use for the white side, and the one in the front is what I use on the foil side. And then the paper on the table is what I use for the cutout that you see, this device here. And of course, the adhesive spray is the Elmers crafting bond. And I use the scissors as well as my glue stick. This is my silver paper. It's actually a fancy wrap that you can like wrap your cake boards on, but I'm going to use this to cover this board. And I'm also going to use did not use Mod Podge for this project, but I did use the adhesive spray. And be sure that you're in a well ventilated place when spraying this spray. Now I'm going to take my paper and roll it out. I'm going to roll my paper out. And I'm going to start on the ends. All right, so I smoothed it all out with my board here. Going in one direction. If I don't go in one direction, I'm going to end up with a wrinkle. Do my best not to wrinkle this paper because it is foil. So let me spray my other side here. So when I'm cutting it off down here at the end, I'm putting my scissors right up against the board and just going along the paper. Scissors are sharp enough to make you a nice clean line. Just take your time. Now, because the center is narrower, I'm thinking just to add to the design, I'm going to fold this piece so that it is going to cover this, but it's not as wide as these pieces, but closer to the width of this. And we'll see how that works. Take a look at the finished pieces. This is the silver side. I think it turned out very nice. Here is the white side with the paisley crafting flowers on it and a little bit of border tape. That turned out nice as well.